Most of you are facing forward. Voices off. You can see it's going to be an amazing assembly. We have Miss Maya's class on stage. We have Chef Jeff. We have Wildcat Way winners. This is like going to be the best day ever. Third grade goes on a field trip. Oh.
Please stand. My name is Vivian. Please join us in the salute to the American.
Boys and girls, voices off.
My name is Vivian. Please join us in the salute to the American flag. Attention, salute. Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now to the Oklahoma flag.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Good morning, my name is Lauren. Please join us in the Trout School Creed. Say it with pride because we are proud to be Trout Wildcats. Who are we?
We are Trout Wildcats.
Who are we?
We are leaders. We are friends. We are helpful. We are creative. We are disciplined.
What do we do?
We always aim high. We always show compassion. We always do our best. We are a team. We are winners. We are Trout Wildcats.
Thank you. You may be seated. Good morning. My name is Leah. Please respect those around you and join us in a moment of silence. This is your time to reflect, pray, and simply be silent. Ready? Begin.
Thank you, boys and girls. Good job. Okay, boys and girls, have you noticed up here on the stage that we have some beautiful red things? So let's turn your attention to Chef Jeff. Good morning, Chef.
Good morning, everybody. And this is the last time I'm going to be here this year. I will really miss you guys some of you I'll see though. But today we are talking about these. Anybody know what these are? I'm glad. Now this is the only fruit around that has seeds on the outside. There's no seeds on the inside, they're all on the outside. And there's on an average strawberry, there's 300 seeds. But do you know where the strawberry comes from? Any idea? From the rose. From the rose. Yeah, it's part of the rose family, but so is the apple, so are blueberries, so are pears. But the rose family produces strawberries. And they grow really low on the ground unless you put them in a big pot. And then the best tasting, the sweetest strawberries. Now, here's one thing about them. Once you pick them, they don't ripen anymore. Like some other fruits keep ripening, they don't. So whenever you pick them, if you pick a yellow one or a green one, it's gonna stay yellow or green. But the 55 to 70 degrees is the best degrees to eat a strawberry because it's at the sweetest. If you refrigerate it like I have done these, they're not as sweet. They are sweet and they are good, but they're not as sweet. Now, strawberries, get this. A serving of strawberries has more vitamin C than a serving of oranges. And so we look for vitamin C's. Now, strawberries are something called antioxidants in them. That's wonderful. That fights infections, coughs, colds, those types of things. So we are in strawberry season right now because it always starts right before Mother's Day and it goes to the middle of June, and then anytime after that, they're just not as good. So strawberries are good for us. I like strawberries just like this, just eat them like this. But I also like strawberry shortcake. I like that. I love strawberry ice cream. I love strawberry shakes. I love strawberry jelly. There's a lot of different ways. Strawberries are good for us. They're a lot of fun. Take good care of your body. Eat right. Everything that you put in your mouth has some kind of effect. It's just like everything that comes out of your mouth has some kind of effect too. So have a great summer. We'll see you next fall. Thank you.
Thank you so much. few celebrations. Oh, before Chef Jeff leaves, we're having pizza pockets today for lunch. Yum, yum. I gotta tell you that every day. All right, these are like little presents to Mrs. Nielsen every day. Let's see who I get to celebrate. I'm looking to see if she's here. Is Miss Catherine Brown here? Fourth quarter A on. Great job. Oh my goodness, Amelia Knight. 300% of her fourth quarter A on. How many points was that? Holy moly, second grader, 45 points. That is beautiful. Grady Simmons, Miss Davies. It's like a ticket to the necklace, man. It's going to be fun. Oh, yeah, baby. Lucas Jones, fourth quarter AR. Yeah. Oh, I'm so proud. Guys, you realize it's like 3 hours in front of the rec coach. It's going to be amazing. Okay. Cassius Martin, fourth quarter AR. We're not messing around with fun on that last one, man. Leah Hutchinson. Nice, baby. Did you guys just finish a giant book, maybe? Oh, I love it. Okay. Okay. Sebastian, 50 points. Nolan Scott, fourth quarter. Come on, Nolan. Austin Marcus. Come on. Fourth quarter. Man, I got a lot of fifth graders. Mr. Havoc, fourth quarter. Okay, sweetheart, okay. Let's get Miss Ava Chambly down here, 75% SC math. This is amazing. Your teacher put stickers all over it. Here they come. Come on, Marcos. Thank you, fifth grade. That was a lot of presents for me. Huh? Okay, give them one giant round of applause. Our amazing teachers can make their way to the stage because today we give out the Wildcat Away Award for teamwork. All right, you guys, it's really exciting to get a Wildcat Way Award. Thank you for your patience, students. Second grade. All righty. You look great, Mr. Walters. As you can tell, our third graders are spending the day outside, so they're ready, man. That's awesome. All right. Class. All right, to get a Wildcat Way Award, each teacher can pick one student. Okay? Now, when there's a Wildcat Way Award given by an art, music, or PE teacher, they have to pick from 275 kids. So, guys, I am really impressed every time I see this, and every teacher always makes just great decisions. So, let's get started.
Coach B for PE has picked Kinsey Ford in 5th grade. Miss Cole for music has picked Asher Daniel in 1st grade. And then myself, Mrs. Nova for art, has picked Sadie Heron in 3rd grade.
For my 3rd grade classroom for teamwork, I picked Alex Marcos.
Vanderveer.
For Mr. Rice's class, for teamwork, I picked Parker Reynolds.
Okay, it's probably going to be loud again after this one. For Mrs. Minson's fifth grade class, I chose Sebastian.
Okay, for Miss Crowder's second grade class, I chose Carson. For Miss Maya's fourth grade class, I chose Maya Hutchinson.
From Miss Duffy's first grade class, I chose Shane Taylor. Miss Pratt's first grade class for teamwork is Landry Hudson. In Mrs. Bailey's fourth grade, I chose Riker Crosby. In Miss Taylor's second grade, I picked Shia Strange. Okay, from Miss Butler's kindergarten class, I picked Gunner. And last but not least, for Mrs. Holder's kindergarten class, I chose Scarlett Longoria.
John F. Kennedy once said, "One person can make a difference and everyone should try."
We would like to tell you about some amazing teachers who have made a difference in our lives.
To Miss Bailey from North. I chose Miss Bailey because when I didn't know how to do long division, she helped me through all the steps.
I chose Ms. Day because I love how you teach your students and help your students when they need help. For my teacher, I chose Miss Henry. You saw something in me I didn't see in myself. In my opinion, you are a special person. This year has gone so fast. I also knew you always tried your best to teach me everything I needed to know. Also, I love being in your class.
I chose Mr. Walters because you're my favorite teacher. You know when I feel down and bad. You will always be my favorite teacher.
I chose Miss Bailey. You are the best mother and not to mention an amazing math teacher. You always know just the thing to say. That is why I love you, Miss Bailey.
I chose Miss Cole because she is really nice and she never gets mad. Also, she helps people when they need it.
I choose Mr. Walters. He is fun to play with and he is nice. One time we played the last person and the winner got candy. And also, if you were good for the day, you got candy.
I chose Miss Berry. I chose Miss Berry because she helped me in the past and she is nice.
For my teacher, I chose Coach B for teaching us handball.
For my teacher, I chose Miss Parks because she is my all-time favorite teacher. I also really liked when she taught a lot of science.
For my teacher, I chose Miss Malcolm because she's nice and good at teaching art.
For my teacher, I chose Miss Rice because she is nice, funny, and a really good teacher.
For my teacher, I chose Miss Holder for being a good teacher and thank you for teaching my sister.
Chose Miss Butler. Thank you for teaching kindergarten. Also, you're pretty funny.
The teacher I chose is Coach B. You help me when I'm having trouble at basketball and when we play Frisbee. Thank you very much.
I chose Miss Maya because she's an amazing and nice teacher. She knows everything, that's why she's a teacher. She never gives up on us, and I'm glad I got her husband.
The teacher I chose is Miss Vincent. I chose you because I am thankful for your help with all the confusing questions. You're so super fun, cool, and amazing with your activities you come up with.
The teacher I chose is Miss Nielsen. I chose her because she's the nicest principal ever. I chose Miss Pratt. Thank you for helping me learn.
I chose Miss Crowder because she's a very, very kind teacher. If I could go back to second grade, I would want her to be my teacher.
I chose Miss Duffy because she is kind to me and she helped me on my math day. She says something nice to me.
My teacher I chose is Miss Minson because she helped me find my class when I was lost in first grade.
I chose Mrs. Taylor because she is nice and is there at bus duty.
Guys, that was beautiful. Thank you so much. Parents, thank you for coming. Thank you for sharing your kids with us. Boys and girls, this concludes our amazing assembly. Watch your teachers for Christmas.